Want more engagement, more attendees, and more closed deals? AI is transforming the way real estate agents approach marketing and open houses by making campaigns smarter, more efficient, and data-driven. In this video, we will show how AI can help you reach the right audience, create content that resonates, and ensure your listings get noticed by serious buyers. One challenge for agents is deciding where to focus marketing efforts. Social media, email campaigns, virtual tours, open house promotions, and offline advertising all compete for attention. AI can analyze past campaigns and engagement data to identify which channels produce the best leads and which types of content resonate most. This helps agents invest time and resources wisely instead of relying on guesswork. AI also improves content creation. Algorithms can analyze property photos, videos, descriptions, and social posts to suggest improvements. Some platforms even generate SEO-friendly descriptions automatically, ensuring listings appear in searches and reach potential buyers faster. Planning open houses becomes easier with AI. By reviewing attendance data, client preferences, and local trends, I can recommend the best days, times, and strategies for maximum turnout. It can also suggest personalized invitations to clients most likely to attend, ensuring your events attract serious buyers. Post-event follow-up is another key advantage. AI can track visitor interactions, identify highly interested prospects, and recommend personalized follow-ups like virtual tours or private showings. This automation keeps momentum with leads and increases the chances of closing deals faster. AI also helps agents predict trends and personalize marketing. It can forecast neighborhood demand, identify properties likely to sell quickly, and segment audiences based on behavior and interests. This allows agents to deliver tailored messages, boost engagement, and strengthen client relationships. Finally, AI supports long-term strategy by measuring campaign performance, return on investment, and areas for improvement. This data-driven approach helps agents optimize resources, make informed decisions, and develop consistent growth strategies. Using AI to optimize marketing and open houses gives agents a major advantage. It streamlines content creation, improves targeting, enhances personalization, and provides insights to close more deals. Agents who leverage AI save time, work smarter, and stay ahead in a competitive market.